Hello and welcome to Mathic Zone. Today we are going to study algebra chapter number 1, linear equation in two variables, exercise 1.4. So in this exercise we just have to solve the simultaneous equation, that is just have to find the value of x and y. There is no lot of theory for this exercise, so we'll directly start with an example. So as you can see, there are two equations. Equation 1 is 2 by x minus 3 by y is equals to 15. Similarly, equation 2 is 8 by x plus 5 by y is equals to 77. So in this exercise, we have to substitute 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. And after substituting, we just have to solve it as we have solved in exercise number 1.1. So in the equation 1, if I expand the equation, it will look like this: 2 into 1 by x minus 3 into 1 by y is equals to 15. 2 into 1 by x is 2 by x and 3 into 1 by y is 3 by y. So I have just expand this equation, and after expanding this equation, we will substitute 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. After substituting, it will look like this: 2a minus 3b is equals to 15. So once we get this equation, similarly we have to solve it for equation 2, and once we get the both equation, we just have to solve it as we have solved in exercise number 1.1. So let's solve it. Substitute a for 1 by x and b for 1 by y in given equation. So after substituting, equation 1 will look like this: 2 1 by x is a, 2a minus 3 into 1 by y is b, that is 3b is equals to 15. So this is equation 1, and similarly we will substitute for equation 2. 8 into 1 by x is a, so 8a plus 5 into 1 by y, that is 1 by y is b, 5b is equals to 77. So this is our new equations. So let's denote equation 3 and equation 4. So now equation 3 and equation 4, we just have to solve it as we have solved in exercise number 1.1, that is by elimination method. So we just have to see whether there is any common term in equation 3 and equation 4. As you can see, there is no common term. So if we multiply equation 3 by 4, we get a common term, that is 4 into 2 will be 8. So we get a common term 8a in equation 3 and 8a in equation 4. So we will multiply equation 3 by 4. 4 into 2a will be 8a minus 4 3s are 12. 12b is equals to 4 into 15 is 60. So this is equation 5. So in the equation 4 and equation 5, the signs are positive. So we will subtract the equation 4 and equation 5. Subtract equation 4 and 5. (8a plus 5b is equals to 77) minus equation 5 is 8a minus 12b is equals to 60. We have to subtract, so sign will change, that is minus plus minus, minus minus plus, minus plus minus. So now we'll consider this new sign. 8a minus 8a will get eliminate, plus plus 5b plus 12b is 17b is equals to 77 minus 60 is 17. So b is equals to 17 divided by 17. So b is equals to 17 by 17, b is equals to 1. So now we'll substitute the value of b in equation 3, 4 or 5, whichever you want. So we'll substitute the value of b in equation 3. 2a minus 3 into value of b is 1, 3 into 1 is equals to 15. 2a is equals to 15, 3 1 जा 3, ये माइनस उधर जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा. 2a is equals to 15 plus 3 is 18, a is equals to 9. 2 इधर मल्टीप्लाई इधर आके डिवाइड होएगा, 18 by 2 is 9. So a is equals to 9 and b is equals to 1. So after getting the value of a and b, we have to resubstitute the values of a and b. We have taken a is equals to 1 by x. Similarly, we have taken b is equals to 1 by y. So value of a is 9 is equals to 1 by x and value of b is 1 is equals to 1 by y. So x is equals to 1 by 9 and similarly y is equals to 1. Just reciprocal the values. So value of x is 1 by 9 and value of y is 1. So in this exercise, firstly we have to substitute the value of 1 by x, 1 by y as a and b and find the value of a and b by elimination method. And after getting the value of a and b, we have to resubstitute the values of a and b. That is, we have taken a as 1 by x and b is as 1 by y. So we have to resubstitute and find the values of x and y. So similarly we'll solve question number 2. So this is question number 2. As you can see, there are two equations. Equation 1 is 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equals to 4. Similarly, second equation is 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equals to minus 2. So in this equation, we'll substitute 1 upon x plus y as a and 1 upon x minus y as b. So as you can see, equation 1 और equation 2 में denominators common है, x plus y, x minus y, x plus y, x minus y. So इसलिए हम 1 upon x plus y a substitute करेंगे और 1 upon x minus y b substitute करेंगे. So that equation 1 will become 10a plus 2b is equals to 4 and equation 2 will become 15a minus 5b is equals to minus 2. So बस देखना है कि डिनोमिनेटर्स में क्या है जो कॉमन है, that is x plus y and x plus y. As you can see, these both are common, so we'll substitute 1 upon x plus y as a. Similarly, इधर भी x minus y और x minus y common है, so we'll substitute 1 upon x minus y as b. Substitute 1 upon x plus y as a and 1 upon x minus y as b. So after substituting, the equation 1 will be 10a plus 2b is equals to 4. 10 into 1 upon x plus 1. So 1 upon x plus 1 is a. So 10a plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y. So 1 upon x minus y is b. We have taken 1 upon x minus y as b. So this will be 2b is equals to 4. Similarly, equation 2 will become 15a, that is 15 into 1 by x plus y. 1 by x plus y is a. So 15a minus 15 into 1 by x minus y. 1 by x minus y is b. So 15a minus 5b is equals to minus 2. So these are equation 3 and equation 4. So in equation 3 and equation 4 there is no common term, तो हम कोई भी एक term common करेंगे. So in the equation 3 and equation 4 there is no common term, so we have to make a common term. So if we multiply equation 3 by 5, so we get 2 into 5 as 10b. Similarly, if we multiply equation 4 by 2, so 5 into 2 will be 10b. So after multiplying, we get 10b common. So we'll multiply equation 3 by 5 and we'll multiply equation 4 by 2. Multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2. So the equation will be 5 into 10 is 50a plus 5 into 2 is 10b is equals to 5 into 4 is 20. Similarly, we will multiply equation 4 by 2. 15 into 2 is 30a minus 5 into 2 is 10b is equals to 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. So now, as you can see, we have a common term 10b in both the equations. So we'll add equation 5 and equation 6. As you can see, the signs are positive and negative. So by adding equation 5 and 6, the term 10b will eliminate. Add equation 5 and 6. 50a plus 10b is equals to 20, equation 5, and equation 6 is 30a minus 10b is equals to minus 4. 50 plus 30 is 80a plus minus 10b minus 10b will eliminate. 20 plus minus 4 plus minus 20 minus 4 is 16. So a is equals to 16 by 80. A is equals to 1 by 5. 16 ones are 16, 16 fives are 80. So a is equals to 1 by 5. We'll substitute the value of a in equation 3. You can substitute in equation 4, 5 or 6. You will get the same answer. So we'll substitute the value of a in equation 3. So this is equation 3. We'll substitute the value of a. 10 into value of a is 1 by 5 plus 2b is equals to 4. So 5 ones are 5, 2s are 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2b is equals to 4. This plus 2 goes there, minus 2. 2b is equals to 2. b is equals to 2 by 2 is 1. Now we have the value of a as 1 by 5 and value of b as 1. So we'll resubstitute the values of a and b. Resubstitute values of a and b. We have taken a as 1 by x plus y. Similarly, we have taken b as 1 by x minus y. So value of a is 1 by 5 is equals to 1 upon x plus y, and value of b is 1 is equals to 1 upon x minus y. So if we reciprocal, we get x plus y is equals to 5 and x minus y is equals to 1. So now we have two equations. We'll denote it as 7 and 8. So now we have two equations, x plus y is equals to 5, x minus y is equals to 1. So we'll solve these two equations by elimination method and we'll find the value of x and y. So now we'll solve equation 7 and equation 8 by elimination method. So if we add, this y variable will get eliminated. So add equation 7 and 8. X plus x is equals to 2x plus minus y minus y will eliminate, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So x is equals to 6 by 2, that is x is equals to 3. We'll substitute the value of x in equation 7 or 8. So we'll substitute in equation 7, x plus y is equals to x plus y is equals to 5. This is equation 7. So the value of x is 3 plus y is equals to 5. Y is equals to 5 plus 3 goes there, minus 3, y is equals to 5 minus 3 is 2. So value of x is equals to 3 and value of y is equals to 2. So similarly we'll solve question number 3. So this is question number 3. The equations are 27 by x minus 2 plus 31 by y plus 3 is equals to 85. And similarly the equation 2 is 31 by x minus 2 plus 27 by y plus 3 is equals to 89. So in this question x minus 2 and x minus 2 is common. Similarly y plus 3 is common, but they are in denominators, so we have to take 1 upon x minus 2 as a and 1 upon y plus 3 as b. Substitute a for 1 upon x minus 2 and b for 1 upon y plus 3. So after substituting, the equation will be 27a, that is 27 into 1 upon x minus 2. So 1 upon x minus 2 is a. So 27a plus 31 into 1 upon y plus 3. 1 upon y plus 3 is b. So it will be 31b is equals to 85. Similarly the equation 2 will be 31 into 1 upon x minus 2. 1 upon x minus 2 is a. So it will be 31a plus 27b. 27 into 1 by y plus 3, 1 by y plus 3 is b, so 27b is equals to 89. So now we have two new equations, equation 3 and equation 4. So as you can see in equation 3 and equation 4, I have told you that अगर वैल्यू ऑफ a ये सेम है नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन के वैल्यू ऑफ b के साथ, दैट इज 27. सिमिलरली वैल्यू ऑफ b फर्स्ट इक्वेशन का अगर सेम है वैल्यू ऑफ a सेकेंड इक्वेशन का, दैट इज 31. सो ऐसे टाइम पे हमें एक बार ऐड करना है इक्वेशन 3 और इक्वेशन 4 को, और एक बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है इक्वेशन 3 और इक्वेशन 4 को, जैसे कि हमने एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1.1 में किया था, सेम वैसे ही करना है. सो फर्स्ट विल ऐड इक्वेशन 3 and 4 and then we'll subtract equation 3 and 4, and after that we'll get a two equations and we'll find the value of a and b. So first we'll add equation 3 and 4. So now we'll add equation 3 and equation 4. 27a plus 31a. 27 plus 31 is 58a. Similarly 31b plus 27b is 58b is equals to 85 plus 89 is 174. So after adding we get a equation 58a plus 58b is equals to 174. So now we'll divide this equation by 58 because 58 is a common multiple. Divide equation by 58. So 58 by 58 is 1, that is a, plus similarly 58 by 58 is 1, that is b, is equals to 174 divided by 58 is 58 ones are 58, 58 threes are 174. So this is equation 5. Now we have added equation 3 and 4. Now we'll subtract equation 3 and 4. So now we'll subtract equation 3 and 4. We are subtracting, so values will be changed, plus minus minus, minus plus minus, minus plus minus. So we'll consider this sign. 27 minus 31 is minus 4a. 31 minus 27 plus 4b, sign of a bigger number, is equals to 85 minus 89 is minus 4. So now we'll divide this equation by 4. So we'll get minus a plus b is equals to minus 1. So this is equation 6. So now we have got equation 5 and equation 6 by adding and subtracting. So now equation 5 and equation 6 will solve it by elimination method, that is we'll add equation 5 and equation 6. So now we'll add equation 5 and equation 6. So by adding equation 5 and 6, this a variable will be eliminated and we'll find the value of b. Add equation 5 and 6. A plus b is equals to 3 plus minus a plus b is equals to minus 1. A plus minus minus a minus a is eliminated. B plus b is 2b. 3 plus minus minus 3 minus 1 is 2. So b is equals to 1. 2 by 2 is 1. Similarly, we'll find the value of a by substituting. So we'll substitute in equation 5. A plus b is equals to 3. Value of b is 1. So a plus 1 is equals to 3. A is equals to 3. 1 goes there, minus 1. A is equals to 2. So now we have the value of a and b. A is equals to 2 and b is equals to 1. This sum might be little confusing, but if you solve it step by step, it will be easy for you. So now we'll resubstitute the value of a and b. Resubstitute values of a and b. So a is equals to, we have taken a as 1 upon x minus 2, that is the value of a we have is 2. Similarly, b is equals to, we have taken b for 1 upon y plus 3 and the value of b we have is 1. So now we'll cross multiply, that is x minus 2 इधर डिवाइड में है, इधर जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली y plus 3 इधर डिवाइड में है, इधर जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. सो 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 2 इंटू एक्स माइनस 2 एंड 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 1 इंटू वाई प्लस 3. 1 is equals to 2 into x minus 2. 1 is equals to 1 into y plus 3. So 1 is equals to 2 into x is 2x minus 2 into 2 is 4. So 1 minus 4 इधर आएगा तो plus 4 is equals to 2x. 1 plus 4 is 5 is equals to 2x. x is equals to 5 by 2. 2 इधर मल्टीप्लाई में है, इधर आके डिवाइड हो जाएगा तो x is equals to 5 by 2. Similarly 1 is equals to 1 into y is y plus 1 into 3 is 3. 1 plus 3 इधर आएगा तो minus 3 is equals to y. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 is equals to y. y is equals to minus 2. So now we have the values of x and y. X is equals to 5 by 2 and y is equals to minus 2. This sum might be little lengthy, but if you solve it step by step, आपको easily समझ में आ जाएगा. Confusing नहीं रहेगा अगर आप step by step solve कर रहे हो तो. Now we'll see last sum number 4. So this is question number 4. The equations are 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to 3 by 4. Equation 1 and 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 by 8. This is equation 2. So in this sum, we'll substitute 1 upon 3x plus y as a and 1 upon 3x minus y as b, because 3x plus y and 3x plus y are common in both the equations and 3x minus y are common in both the equations. So as you can see, 3x plus y, 3x minus y are in the denominator. So we'll substitute 1 upon 3x plus y as a and 1 upon 3x minus y as b. Substitute 1 upon 3x plus y as a and 1 upon 3x minus y as b. So equation 1 will become 1 upon 3x plus y, that is equals to a. 1 upon 3x plus y is a, plus 1 upon 3x minus y, that is b. A plus b is equals to 3 by 4. Similarly, equation 2 will be 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y, that is 1 upon 3x plus y is a upon 2, a upon 2, minus 1 upon 3x minus y is b, that is b upon 2, is equals to minus 1 by 8. So these are equation 3 and equation 4. We will multiply equation 4 by 2 because as you can see 2 ये डिनोमिनेटर्स में है, अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 2 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो डिनोमिनेटर चला जाएगा. मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 4 बाय 2. 2 into a by 2 is 2 2 cancel a. Similarly 2 into b by 2 is b and 2 into minus 1 by 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are, that is minus 1 by 4. This is equation 5. Now we'll add equation 3 and equation 5. By adding, variable b will be eliminated and we'll find the value of a. Add equation 3 and 5. A plus a is 2a, plus b minus b plus minus minus, variable b is eliminated. 3 by 4 plus minus minus, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 3 minus 1 is 2, that is 2 by 4. 2a is equals to 2 by 4. a is equals to 2 अपॉन ये 2 इधर मल्टीप्लाई इधर जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा, दैट इज 4 इंटू 2. दिस 2 2 कैंसल, a is equals to 1 by 4. So we'll substitute the value of a in equation 3. Substitute the value of a in equation 3. Value of a is 1 by 4 plus b is equals to 3 by 4. b is equals to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 उधर जाएगा minus 1 by 4. 3 minus 1 is 2, that is 2 by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is 1 by 2. So value of b is 1 by 2. We have the value of a as 1 by 4 and value of b as 1 by 2. So now we'll resubstitute the values of a and b. Resubstitute values of a and b. So a is equals to, we have taken a as 1 upon 3x plus y. Similarly b is equals to 1 upon 3x minus y. So the value of a and b we have is a as 1 by 4 is equals to 1 upon 3x plus y. Similarly b as 1 by 2 is equals to 1 upon 3x minus y. So now we'll reciprocal and the equation will be 3x plus y is equals to 4. 3x plus y is equals to 4 and similarly 3x minus y is equals to 2. 3x minus y is equals to 2. So now we'll add equation 6 and equation 7. By adding equation 6 and 7, y variable will eliminate and we'll find the value of x. Add equation 6 and 7. 3x plus 3x is 6x, plus minus minus y minus y is eliminated and 4 plus 2 is 6. So x is equals to 6 by 6 is 1. We'll substitute the value of x in equation 6 and we'll find the value of y. Substitute value of x in equation 6. X is equals to 1, so 3 into 1 plus y is equals to 4. Y is equals to 4. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 3 goes there minus 3. Y is equals to 1. So value of x is 1 and value of y is 1. So this was our last question, question number 4, in which the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 1. So now we have completed exercise 1.4. In our next video we'll see last exercise for this lesson, exercise 1.5. Till then keep practicing, and yes, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Your one like and one subscribe will encourage me to bring more videos for you. Thank you.